Hi, welcome to another video. So, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been deep in the Claude Code ecosystem. I've covered tasks, agent teams, sub-agents, parallel execution, all of it. And through all of that, I've been refining my own coding workflow to be as fast as possible. But there was one bottleneck I kept running into that had nothing to do with AI models or token limits. It was typing. Think about it. When you're working with Claude Code, what are you actually doing most of the time? You're typing prompts. You're describing what you want built. You're explaining bugs. You're writing follow-up instructions when the agent goes off track. And if you're like me, you have these really detailed, nuanced ideas in your head, but by the time you type them out, you've lost half the context. You simplify the prompt because typing out a full paragraph feels like too much effort. And then Claude gives you a mediocre result because your prompt was mediocre. I partnered with Wispr Flow to tell you how amazing this product is. And honestly, it's one of the few sponsors where I genuinely use the product every single day now. So, Wispr Flow is an AI-powered speech-to-text tool that works in any app where you type. And I mean any app. Your terminal, your browser, Slack, VS Code, literally everywhere. You just press a hotkey, start talking, and Wispr Flow turns your speech into clean, polished text. No filler words, no ums and ahs, proper formatting, punctuation, all of it. And the accuracy is insane. Like, I barely have to edit anything after dictating. Showing the Wispr Flow dictation bar appearing on screen after pressing the hotkey, speech being transcribed in real time. Now, let me tell you why this matters specifically for coding workflows and why it's made my whole process so much faster. So, let's get right into it. The first use case, and honestly the biggest one, is writing prompts for Claude Code. This is where Wispr Flow completely changed the game for me. Before Wispr Flow, I would sit there staring at my terminal, trying to figure out how to phrase what I wanted. I'd type something like, build a login page, and then Claude would build a basic login page that's missing half the stuff I actually wanted, because I was too lazy to type out all the details. It's not that I didn't know what I wanted. I just didn't want to type 3 paragraphs explaining it. With Wispr Flow, I just press my hotkey and talk. I'll say something like, I need you to build a login page with email and password fields. Add proper validation with error messages that appear below each field. Include a forgot password link that opens a modal. Add Google and GitHub OAuth buttons below the form. Make sure the whole thing is responsive and follows our existing Tailwind design system. And add loading states for the submit button. That whole thing took me maybe 15 seconds to say. Typing it out would have taken a couple of minutes, and I probably would have skipped half those details. Showing Wispr Flow dictation bar active in the terminal, the full detailed prompt appearing in Claude Code's input as I speak. And here's the thing. Better prompts equal better results. When you give Claude Code a detailed, well-thought-out prompt, it builds exactly what you want on the first try. When you give it a lazy 3-word prompt, you spend the next 20 minutes going back and forth with follow-up instructions. So Wispr Flow doesn't just save you time on the input, it saves you time on the output too, because Claude gets it right the first time. Showing Claude Code generating a complete login page component with all the requested features on the first try. The second use case is writing follow-up instructions. Because let's be real, even with great prompts, sometimes the agent goes in a direction you didn't expect, and you need to course correct quickly. Without Wispr Flow, I'd type something short like, no, change the button color. With Wispr Flow, I can actually explain what I mean. I'll say, the button color doesn't match our design system. Use the primary blue from our Tailwind config, and also add a hover state that darkens it by 10%. And while you're at it, the spacing between the form fields looks off. Can you add some more vertical padding between each input group? Again, that took me maybe 10 seconds to dictate. And Claude gets all of that context in one shot instead of 3 separate follow-ups. Showing Wispr Flow dictation bar in the terminal, a detailed follow-up instruction appearing, then Claude Code immediately making the correct changes. The third use case is one that most people don't think about, but it's huge for me. Writing Claude.md files and documentation. If you've watched my Agent Teams video, you know that your Claude.md file is critical. It's the context that every subagent and teammate inherits. A good Claude.md file means your agents know your codebase, your conventions, your preferences. A bad one means they're flying blind. But writing a thorough Claude.md file is tedious. You have to document your project structure, your coding conventions, your testing approach, your deployment process. Most people write 2 lines and call it a day because typing all of that out is painful. With Wispr Flow, I just talk through my project. I'll open the file and just start explaining. This project uses next.js with the app router. We use TypeScript everywhere. Our API roots are in the app/API folder. We use Prisma for the database with PostgreSQL. For styling, we use Tailwind with our custom config. Tests go in the tests folder using Vitest. Always use server components by default unless the component needs interactivity. I can document my entire project in a few minutes instead of spending an hour typing it all out. And because I'm talking naturally, I actually remember to include details I would have forgotten while typing. The fourth use case is commit messages and PR descriptions. I know, some of you just write fix stuff for every commit. But if you're working on a team or contributing to open source, good commit messages matter. With Wispr Flow, I can dictate a proper commit message in seconds. I'll say something like, refactored the authentication middleware to support both JWT and session-based auth, added rate limiting to the login endpoint, updated the tests to cover the new auth flow. That takes 5 seconds to say versus 30 seconds to type. And over the course of a day, with dozens of commits, that time adds up. Now, there are a few things about Wispr Flow that I want to highlight because they're specifically useful for developers. First, it learns your vocabulary. After using it for a few days, it started correctly spelling things like Prisma, Vitest, TypeScript, Supabase, all the technical terms that normal speech-to-text tools butcher. It picks up on the words you use frequently and gets them right. Second, it works when you whisper. This sounds like a small thing, but if you're in a coffee shop or a shared office, you don't want to be the person loudly dictating code instructions. You can literally whisper to Wispr Flow, and it still picks everything up accurately, which is pretty amazing. Third, and this is one of my favorite features, it handles corrections naturally. If I'm dictating and I say, add a post endpoint, actually make it a put endpoint, Wispr Flow is smart enough to just write the corrected version. It doesn't include the mistake. It understands that I changed my mind and gives me the final version, which saves a lot of editing. Fourth, it works across all my devices. I have it on my Mac, and the settings sync everywhere. So whether I'm at my desk or on my laptop, same experience. Now, let me talk about the actual speed difference, because I said 20 times in the title, and I want to back that up. So, the average person types about 40 words per minute. When you're thinking about code and typing at the same time, it's probably more like 20 to 25 words per minute. With Wispr Flow, I can dictate at around 150 words per minute, and it keeps up perfectly. That's roughly a 4 to 6 times speed increase just on the raw input. But the real multiplier comes from the quality of prompts. Because I'm giving Claude Code more detailed instructions, I'm getting better results on the first try. I'm spending less time on follow-ups. I'm spending less time debugging outputs that missed my requirements. When you factor in the reduced back and forth, the time savings compound. For my workflow specifically, where I'm constantly writing prompts, follow-ups, documentation, and commit messages, the overall speed increase is genuinely massive. And here's the thing. Wispr Flow is free to download. You get 2,000 words per week on the free tier, which is enough to try it out. And if you want unlimited dictation, you can use my promo code and link in the description and pinned comment to get Wispr Flow Pro free for an extra month, which is a pretty great deal. If you're using Claude Code, or any AI coding tool for that matter, and you're still typing everything out manually, you're leaving a ton of speed on the table. Wispr Flow works in every app. Your terminal, your IDE, your browser, Slack, everywhere. There's no setup, no integrations to configure. You just install it and start talking. It's one of those tools where once you start using it, you can't go back. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.